I tried posting YouTube Shorts for 30 days in a row, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys my results and what I learned in this process. Everyone has been going crazy over YouTube Shorts lately and how much money they've been making with it, so after seeing that, I knew I at least had to give it a shot. So I gave myself a challenge to do this, and here is a 5-step thought process that I took to do this. So my first thought process in doing this challenge was to obviously get paid and make money. To get your channel monetized for YouTube Shorts, you need at least 500 subscribers and you need at least 3 million valid public shorts views within the last 90 days. So I knew to get monetized, I would have to have some viral videos go off. The other aspect about YouTube Shorts is that they don't really pay a lot. And as you can see here, between 1 cent and 7 cents per 1,000 views. And when I found this out, it was a little bit discouraging, but then I kind of just thought about it and did some math. I knew I at least needed 3 million views to get monetized anyway, and I did some math. If you made 5 cents per 1,000 views, well, for 3 million views, you would get $150. And that still kind of wasn't a lot, but it was at least something. Looking at different YouTube Shorts channels, I was kind of seeing them getting a lot of views, like this one, 69 million, 55 million, 31 million, and I did some more math. With 30 million views at 5 cents per 1,000 views, that would actually make you $1,500. So figuring this out kind of gave me some more motivation to give this a shot. My second thought process for this challenge was that I knew I had to pick a winning niche. After doing some research, I decided to go with the motivational podcast niche, as I saw videos like this one getting 40 million views, or David Goggins talking getting 3.6 million views, and just a lot of these shorts were getting a lot of views, so this is the niche that I decided to go with. My first attempt at this was with my Millionaire Vision page, and I was really just making a lot of shorts with David Goggins talking, or just some entrepreneur millionaires like Luke Bellamar or Tristan Tate talking about business, and to be honest, I thought that this was a pretty good niche, but my shorts weren't getting the views that I wanted to get, and I didn't really come close to being monetized on this channel. And after posting about 100 shorts, I only had 358 subscribers and not even a lot of views. If I take a look at my channel, I will see that I only had 232,000 views in total. So yeah, that was really short of the 3 million view mark. So that is the point when I started my WealthVission YouTube Shorts page, and I was just kind of basically rebranding my videos to see if they would do it any different. And this brings me to the third step process that I thought about in this challenge, was that these videos really weren't getting a lot of views, so that's when I decided to switch niches. I actually ended up switching to the luxury motivational niche, and I knew with making my videos, there were 3 key points that I learned that I wanted to implement in all of my new videos. The 3 things I wanted to add in my videos that I kind of figured out would help them go viral was 1. Change of clips every 1 to 3 seconds, 2. Videos less than 10 seconds long, and 3. Using trending audios for my videos. And my 4th step in this challenge was basically just analyzing my results and making changes to this channel. So I know this was supposed to be a 30-day challenge, but after 30 days, it wasn't doing that well. So I actually ended up doing this for 4 months. So about 120 days I did this challenge, and these are my results. I ended up with basically 200,000 views, about 1,000 watch time hours, but that doesn't really matter for YouTube Shorts, that's just long form content, and 416 subscribers in that 4-month period. And at this point, I still wasn't close at all to getting monetized for YouTube Shorts, even after doing this for 4 months, posting consistently and changing niches. So even after learning more about YouTube Shorts and it was kind of getting oversaturated, I decided to kind of take my talent of making videos and what I learned in this process somewhere else. And this leads me into the 5th step I took in this process, and that was basically changing paths as I switched over to trying to grow accounts on Instagram and TikTok. So on Instagram, I actually ended up growing my account to, right now today as of recording this video, to over 3,000 followers. So obviously a lot better than my YouTube channel. And on TikTok, my account currently has over 9,000 followers, and I'm closing in on that 10,000 follower mark. So yes, YouTube didn't work out, but I did learn a lot on the way, and my editing skills got a lot better, and I was able to now scale Instagram and TikTok platforms to a lot of followers. So yeah, unfortunately for this challenge, I actually didn't even make penny from YouTube Shorts, but this still kind of helped me make money in a sense because I now have grown my Instagram and TikTok followers a lot, and I've actually started making money through Instagram and TikTok. And I don't have time to talk about how I made money with those accounts in this video, but I have other videos on my channel where I talk about that. So at the end of the day, I ended up switching platforms and didn't even achieve my goal of making money through YouTube Shorts, and I still didn't really understand why I wasn't able to do this, and it was kind of upsetting, but I kind of just took a look back at it and realized these few things of why I wasn't successful with my YouTube Shorts channel. One of the main reasons why my YouTube Shorts channel didn't work out was, one, I didn't really give it enough time. The main thing I kind of figured out was, you guys saw my channel, I only had 100 videos posted. And a lot of channels that were getting millions of views had like 200, 300, 400 shorts posted. So I simply just didn't post enough, whether it wasn't posting enough in that 120-day span or just waiting longer and posting more. I just didn't give my channel enough time to grow. With figuring that out, I made this change to my Instagram and TikTok. If you take a look at my Instagram, I have 338 posts. So yeah, I have over 3,000 followers because I've posted a lot with over 300 posts, and I gave my Instagram more time to flourish because a lot of the growth in growing these platforms is really exponential. So you could have no progress for months and then out of nowhere it starts to take off. And figuring that out with my Instagram and TikTok really leaves me with this key lesson that I'm going to leave you guys today with. And that is that there really isn't no 30-day plan to success in growing accounts. What you really need is a 300-day plan, which would be about 10 months long. If you truly give yourself 10 months to grow an account, you are going to succeed. And you got to make changes along the way. You got to be disciplined. You got to be consistent. There's a lot of stuff you got to do, but 30 days for 99% of people just isn't going to work out. Some people may get lucky and get some videos to go viral right off the bat, but that's kind of rare to happen. But if you truly give yourself 300 days, then you're going to be guaranteed to get results, and it just takes time. So you can't go in with a month plan for growing these accounts. You literally need 6 to 18 months, and it's going to be guaranteed results. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. You can go follow my Instagram and TikTok as you can just track my progress as I keep growing these accounts. I also have a free Discord server that you can join through the link of the description of this video as well. I'm also doing a personal brand challenge right now on Instagram and TikTok, so I'll leave the links for those accounts in the description as well below. I just started those, so you guys can go check out my progress on that as well, and you'll see a video on that progress very soon in the future. And as always guys, please leave a like to the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.